I love being a mossy queen, but also I really don't like being that. So I'm gonna take this off. Oh. I use lash glue instead of latex, so I don't think there's a satisfying way to do this other than just... Last time I was using moss for a makeup look, I accidentally bought real moss and then I had to stick real moss to my face, but this time I bought the correct actual fake moss. Feels a lot better on my face than the real one did. The real one did not feel good on my face. It's breaking though. Also, one of my nails fell off. Isn't that tragic? Come on. I'm trying so hard to get like a satisfying peel, but it's literally impossible with the dual lash glue. It works really well though, but just not fun to take off. The makeup looks extra moldy now that I took the moss off. And I can't leave you guys without the nightmare fuel. I gotta look like Shrek. My face is stained green. That's great. I'll see y'all tomorrow. 'Tis time to take this off again. Now, is this a good makeup? No, you can see I did not blend anything. I'm sorry. From far away, maybe. Yeah, I can see that. Or can I? I can't see. My mom has seen every single one of my looks, and now she thinks I need therapy. And to be honest, I probably do. I changed the lights to help me see, but it didn't help. Ow, that kind of helps me see though. Ouch. This may be satisfying to you guys. I don't know if I can say that for myself though. So I think this one got a little bit of my eyebrow, like right at the end, right here. I'll be fine. They're gonna grow back. Ooh, there's literally cotton in my eye. Boop. Be right back. Good to go. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is Greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys. Hi guys, I need to take my makeup off and I really don't want to. I really like having 3 eyes.
So I'm gonna do it.
Anastasia, please take off my makeup because I don't have the willpower to do that.
Come on.
Yeah, I just...
An eye.
Okay, the hard part is done. I like the barbed wire too. No! You don't have to be so aggressive. My eyelashes, wait.
This is really, I'm enjoying this.
I'm glad you're amused by my misery. Okay, I can do it. I can do it myself.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Please. Since y'all crazy people love to see me take latex off my face, I decided, why not cover my entire face with latex? But just latex is boring, right? Gotta make it scary. So here's the warning. Whatever you see ahead will most likely be somewhat scary or really scary. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Just did a bad thing. I regret the thing I did. Oh dear God. Ow, ow, ow. This is lovely. Am I sexy? Yes, I love pain. Okay, I'm gonna do it fast. Ow, 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 ow. Look at that mustache though. Abort mission, it's in my hair.
One little one.
My skin hates me.
Hiya, Georgie. What a nice boat. Do you want it back? You look like a nice boy. Do you want a balloon too, Georgie? Oh, well, I'm Pennywise the dancing clown. Pennywise? Yes, meet Georgie. Georgie, meet Pennywise. Now we aren't strangers, are we? The storm blew me away. Blew the whole circus away.
Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. That's what time it is, if you were wondering. This is my first time wearing contacts and I have no idea how to take it out, so I'm gonna try to take that out and then I'll be right back. I did it, I took it out and I can still see. Oh my god, I can see. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. It's too long. That's what she said. Haha, I'm funny. Boop. No, this one definitely got my bottom eyelashes, so I am very worried. Oh my god. They're fine. They're still there. I'll be right back. Good day, everyone. Guess what, brothers? It's time to take this off again. I honestly have no idea why you guys like these so much. Now, I can't take all the teeth all individually because it's coming off entirely, so I'm just gonna do a nice slow video of me taking this whole thing off. Isn't it beautiful? Tiny one. Now we're just gonna take everything off. Beautiful, right? All done. I'm gonna go drink some water because I'm very dehydrated. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Naturally, it is time to take this off again. I can't see because I have contacts on. And I also got my nails done yesterday, and I don't know how to take my contacts out with these nails. But here's what I am gonna do. I'm gonna use my knuckle. Is that what that part of the hand is called? And I'm gonna keep shoving it in the corner. I'm gonna stab myself in the eye. No, that does not feel good. There it goes. Oh! I'm so smart. My eye is so red now. Let's see if I can repeat this on the other side. I'm such a big brain. Guys, I'm genius. I have been waiting to take this tube out. Oh my god. Oh, that feels good. Do we think this look deserves a makeup print? I'm gonna do one just for the off chance it will turn out well. I think I'm done. I was expecting it to be worse. It's not the worst makeup print I've had. It's not the best. It's not the worst. Okay. Okay. Naturally, we need the nightmare fuel. Where is the nightmare fuel? This is fine. I'm still gonna go wash my face. All clean. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Milady? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I almost poked myself in the eye. Let's take the hand off first. Oh, it ripped. And the last one. This entire side of my face is covered in liquid latex, so this is not gonna be fun. I'm like scared to start. Oh, ow, 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 oh, it's in my hair. Oh, maybe, give me a second. Maybe I need to do it fast. No, Just kidding, it doesn't hurt at all. I'm lying to you guys. Hey, but it came off in one piece. That's kind of cool. The face is nothing compared to the neck. Why did I do this? 1, 2, 3. And listen, there are less painful ways to take off liquid latex, but they just take a while and I am impatient. So the suffering I go through is definitely self-inflicted. Okay, I washed my face and my face is fine, but my neck is so red. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, it is time to take this off again. I'm calling this look Y2 Killed. I did have to use wax for this look, and I despise wearing wax. The application sucks, and the removal sucks, but I did cover my face with latex, so hopefully that's gonna make the removal easier. Okay, should we start with a small one? My cats are going crazy. Oh, I hate wax. I hate wax. Help. Help. Well, the latex didn't really help, did it? Taking off wax is not satisfying, it's sticky. I'm gonna take this off, and no safety pins are gonna stab me in the eye. I'm manifesting. The latex is helping a little bit, but not a lot. But I'll take any help I can get. I genuinely will never understand how some MUAs only use wax. Like, to describe how it feels sticky and greasy at the same time. Oh, I'm getting stabbed right here. Wait, ow, 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 ow. I forgot to remove my contact, but my hands are sticky now. I don't know what. Get out. Yeah. Yeah. Success. Success. I'm gonna try washing my face, see if the wax comes off, which I know it won't. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again, and this is gonna be a speed run. Ew. I have to be on a Zoom call in exactly 30 minutes, and it usually takes me well longer than 30 minutes to wash all of this off, so... You can feel the panic settling in. Everything's going on the floor. I'm gonna have to just clean it up later. Whoop. Gotta do the contacts. Maybe I should have washed my hands before doing this. Come on. There you go. Oop. The lights are pissing me off. Let me turn them off. Ooh, there's a spoiler in the back. Okay, I want to do a makeup print. I think I have time. I hope. This is just gonna have to be a really quick one. I don't have time. I'm taking it off. Okay, that's solid. That's not bad at all. That's a makeup print. Let's go. Let's go, brothers. We're so up. We're so up. I would never leave you guys without the nightmare fuel. I really can't show up to a Zoom call looking like this, so I'm gonna go wash my face. Okay, it is now 12:55, so I'm gonna go hop on that Zoom meeting. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I got a brand new white sheet dirty for this look, and I don't know if it was even worth it. I also can't see anything, and I'm dropping things. Let's start by taking the contacts out so that I could see again. I'm definitely getting paint in my eyes and on the contacts, but that's fine. That's a later me problem. You guys, I think I messed up. My hair is frozen solid. Listen. Is that normal? That's not normal. Is it gonna wash out? Like, that's a later me problem. There's really not much to take off here, but I'm thinking I want to do a makeup print. I clearly can't speak when I'm doing the makeup print, so instead I'm gonna sing you guys a song to keep you occupied. Ready? Doobie 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 berry. Oh, that sucks. Where is anything? I guess it makes sense. I did paint my face white, didn't I? I don't like this. That's a bad one. Let's at least get the nightmare fuel. Why do I always do this? Okay, I'm gonna go hop in the shower. Guys, let's hope that I can get this out of my hair. This took me an hour, but I am mostly clean. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This was my Queen of Hearts makeup look, and honestly, turned out pretty well. I'm happy with it. I had to peel off the hearts so many times here on my face that the paint started coming off, so it's time. I went on a kick watching scary movies today, and now it's dark and I'm scared to be in my house. Especially walking around with those contacts on, I couldn't see anything, and it was extra scary because it was dark and I was blind. The lashes keep getting stuck to the heart as well, so, oh, owie, owie, owie. There's so many lashes on my face. Ah, that made my eye water. Whew. Now for the fun part. I don't know where to start. Ooh, no, here, yes. That was my hair. Ah, it ripped. I really wanted it to get off in one piece, but it did not. Does anyone remember the nightmare fuel? How about now? And I'm gonna go shower.